Welcome back to Grandang channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you the S800 Fingerprint Time Attendance System. It's an advanced fingerprint identification device with an added RFID card function. It adopts the latest new SilkID technology fingerprint sensor, ensuring high-accuracy fingerprint recognition. Featuring a 3-inch TFT color screen with a super-friendly user interface. It's extremely easy to use. What's more, it even has a built-in backup lithium battery that provides 3 to 4 hours of operation in case of power failure. When it comes to communication, the S800 offers multiple options. It can communicate via TCP/IP and USB, ensuring a smooth connection and fast data transfer. And if you need more flexibility, we also offer customization for 3G, Wi-Fi, and PoE functions. The default verification method is fingerprint and PIN, but we can also customize ID/Mifare/HID card readers according to your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting product introductions. Thanks for watching.